If you want to visually represent your numerical data in Excel, you can create a chart. There are many chart types available in Excel, which you will find on the Insert tab in the Charts section. The four most common chart types are column charts, bar charts, pie charts, and line charts. These charts are easily understood and they don't usually need a lot of explanation. To create a chart, you want to select the range that you want to represent. You want to make sure that you include the labels as well as the numerical data. For this chart, I want to represent the data showing in cells A5 through E8, so I'm going to go ahead and select that range. You'll notice that I'm not selecting the totals. That would really skew the results of my chart if I included these values as well as the totals. So I'm just selecting from A5 to E8. I'm going to go ahead on the Insert tab in the Chart section, and I'm going to point right here at this button that says Insert Column or Bar Chart. I'm going to click the drop down arrow, and I'm going to go ahead and go with the very first column chart available. It's called a 2D clustered column. So I'm going to click on that, and the chart is inserted into my worksheet. I'm going to go ahead and position my mouse right on this chart, and you'll notice the four-edged pointer. I'm going to click and drag over to the side to move the chart. Now, as you can see, this chart is representing quarterly sales by state. So we have the quarters listed here and the states listed here. If you look over into the chart, you'll notice the quarter information listed here, and here in the legend you'll see the states. And the colors right here, like Washington, is blue, so that is representing that data series right there. You will always want to make sure to enter a chart title that describes what the chart is representing. I'm going to go ahead and click on the chart title, and I'm going to begin typing my chart title. You'll notice after I selected my chart title, I started typing. The information that I started to type shows up here in the formula bar, but when I press enter, the data will be entered into my chart title. And that's it. That's how you create a chart in Microsoft Excel.